students, welcome back to our channel Free Studies. Today we will continue chapter Earth and the Solar System. In the last video, we have studied the solar system, the sun, the earth, the stars and constellations. Today we will study planets, satellites, movements of the earth and seasons. So first we are going to study about planets. Planets are heavenly bodies or natural objects that move around the sun on a fixed path called orbit. They are made up of rocks and gases. Unlike stars, they do not have their own light and they use the heat and light of the sun. The 8 planets of solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets in this solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets because they are nearest to the sun. These 3 planets have some common features with the Earth. All of these have rocky surface with similar rock composition. On the other hand, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. These are vast ball of gases circling in the solar system. These 4 planets are also called the gas giants. Saturn has 7 rings that are made up of ice and dust. The rings of Saturn makes it very attractive planet to watch and study. Now we will study satellites. The small heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. For example, the moon is the satellite of the earth that revolves around it, and moon is the natural object. It is the satellite of the earth. Earth have one satellite, moon, while the Jupiter has 67 satellites. These are also is a part of our solar system. Moon have no water or air. The surface of the moon have many high mountains and deep craters or holes. These might have formed when rocks or solar system falls on moon's surface. Now we will study about movements of the earth. The earth revolves around the sun and at same time it also rotates around the imaginary line called axis. The axis passes through the center of the earth from 2 points. One at its top called North Pole and the other at the bottom of called South Pole. Earth's axis is slightly tilted and not straight. One more imaginary line that goes around the earth and divides it into 2 equal parts is called the equator. The 2 equal parts are northern hemisphere, upper half and southern hemisphere, lower half. Movements of the earth's axis is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours, 1 day, to complete 1 turn on its axis. The part of the earth that faces the sun and receives light as day. The other part which is away from the sun and does not receive light is dark and has nights. The motion of the earth in which it revolves around the sun is called revolution. When the earth takes 1 round along its orbit, it completes 1 revolution. This revolution causes seasons like summer, autumn, spring and winters. Earth takes 1 year to complete 1 revolution. Earth rotates from west to east. You must have noticed that every morning the sun rises in the same direction, east. If you stand facing the rising sun, then east is in front of you. Behind you is west, at left is north and at your right is south. This thing tells us that the sun rises from the east and sets in west. Actually, the sun not move. It is earth that moves. As the earth turns or rotates from west to east, the part of the earth that is dark moves towards the sun, which appears sunrise in the east. Now we have came to seasons. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes different seasons. As earth is slightly tilted on its axis at one particular time, one pole of the earth is closer to the sun and this hemisphere experiences summer. The other hemisphere, whose pole is tilted away from the sun, experiences winter. This is how the seasons change. The revolution of the earth around the sun and its tilt on its axis causes change in seasons. However, We know that the sun always shines on the equator, hence it always remains hot. Unlike equator, the poles always remains cold as they do not get enough sunlight. On the other hand, the places lying between equator are both. The poles have regular summer and winter. This is all from my side. If you like our video, please hit the like button, share the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel Free Studies for more interesting and knowledgeable videos. Thanks a lot.